Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. Hey, it's been a little while since I put out a video. The last video I did for this channel was Mission's zero carb shells. And I kind of had mentioned that I was changing the way I eat food, and it's been a little bit since it's in January 21st, I started eating low carb, or now keto basically. And I'm just happy to report after 6 weeks, I am down 27 pounds. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm still learning about foods and what foods I can and can't eat, but I got a great show for you today. I'm gonna review a product that just kind of helps me get through when I'm kind of hungry for something, or if I want something sweet. And I'm gonna give that a review for you today. And it is a keto product, so let's get into it. Okay guys, this is a product I want to talk about. These Benton's keto cookies. I've got Snickerdoodle here and chocolate chip here. I find that I like these pretty well. And just to give you a little bit of a breakdown, 7 cookies is 140 calories, about 13 grams of fat there, 8 carbohydrates, the dietary fibers 2 grams, and also there's 5 grams of sugar alcohol. So you can take that off your carbs, and basically that's going to give you 1 net carb on these for 7 cookies. And I'll show you what the cookies look like. I will say this, they're pretty tasty. The chocolate chip one, this is a 0 grams of net carbs, 140 calories, 13 grams of fat. The cholesterol is 9 grams, the fiber is 3 grams, and sugar alcohol is 6. So you take the 6 and the 3, and that's 9, and that's why it's 0. Once again, size serving is 7 cookies, or the equivalent of 28 grams. Now, I will say this about these cookies. I don't eat these every day. It's just every once in a while. If I want a little snack in the afternoon, I'll maybe have 7 of these. I'll have 4 of one, 3 of the other. Usually I just eat 7. You're gonna kind of laugh because they are very small, but at the same time, if you eat them slowly, I find that they're enjoyable, and they taste good. I don't feel like I'm missing out on eating normal cookies, I'll tell you that much. They're pretty good, but like I said, don't laugh when you see the size, because they're not very big. That's all the bigger they are. Not too much bigger than my finger, as you can see. But you get 7 of these. There's some chocolate chips in there. They're pretty tasty. I like those, and then I'll kind of show you the Snickerdoodle ones. And those, they look like Snickerdoodle pretty much. That's what the Snickerdoodle look like, as you can see. These are Benton's brand, and you can pick these up at Aldi. And I believe they're $2.99 a bag. And there's just 3 servings in there, so you're only looking at about 21 cookies each bag. So, you know, it's not a lot of cookies, it's just a little snack. But you know, if you're only eating 7 at a time, I mean, right here is the equivalent of what, 6 servings that you could have, which, you know, that's almost a week worth of snacks if you had it every day for a little afternoon snack. Like I said, I don't do that though, so sometimes I don't have a snack at all. But I just wanted to share these with you today. I'm going to give these a 9 out of 10 just because I'd buy them again, and I will keep buying them, and I have bought them again. So the flavor is really good though. I mean, these do taste like Snickerdoodle cookies, and these do taste like chocolate chip cookies. So don't be afraid to pick them up and give them a try. Like I said, don't expect a lot though, and there's not very much in the bag. But if you're, you know, doing low carb diet or a keto diet, you're going to want to pick these up. They're really kind of a lifesaver. It keeps you from digging into real cookies. Not that I have the desire to do that, but like I said, these have been part of my journey and has helped me lose weight. You know, you know, I'm a little over 4 pounds a week on average I'm losing, so we'll take it. But, you know, if you want to hear about my weight loss journey, I'm going to probably talk a little bit more about that stuff and show more low carb or keto type foods as I do some reviews. But I just wanted to share this with you today, and I hope you got something out of it. And, you know, hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along, and I'd appreciate if you give the video a big thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. Take care, my friends. God bless. Have a great week. Bye.